Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the essentials and taking the first actionable step. Locate the precise patch of sand Ldoe you need and mark it. Once located, use a small shovel to remove the top layer and a 1/8 sieve to separate coarse debris. This preserves the material you want. Make sure to bag samples in labeled, sealable bags and record location, depth, and time. This prevents mixing and gives you a reproducible first sample for later refinement or testing. Once done with rough collection, focus on refining. Wet sieve the sample through a finer mesh to separate the target fraction. This removes silt and clays that mask the sand Ldoe. After washing, make sure to dry the material evenly on a tarp or in a low-heat dryer at 35 to 50 degrees Celsius to avoid altering properties. Then sort by hand and use a magnet to pull metal contaminants. These steps concentrate the desired particles and improve consistency for whatever application you have. To finish, perform a quality check. Inspect grain size and color under good lighting and compare to your reference. Record any variation. Once acceptable, store the sand Ldoe in airtight containers with desiccant and clear labels so humidity and contamination stay controlled. If results are off, too many fines, discoloration, or clumping, rewash with adjusted mesh size or redry at slightly lower heat and resort. That troubleshooting loop resolves the most common failures quickly and preserves your sample integrity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.